Sam's hammer. Sam's teacher gathers the class together in a circle. She says, I have good news. Our class will perform a play. The play will be about an old farmer and his farm. The kids are glad, and they begin to chatter about what roles they want to play. James wants to be the old farmer. Nell wants to be the banker. The teacher explains that first they have to try out for the roles in the play. But Sam is shy. He thinks, what if I get embarrassed on stage? What if I trip over the set? He does not want to perform in the play. Sam tells Dad he wants to be part of the play, but he does not want to be on stage. Dad thinks about it. Sam, you can still help. You can use your hammer. Sam smiles. I will not be a performer. I will help make the set. That will be much better. Sam and the others work hard to get ready for the big night. Nell is working on her lines. James works too. All the kids help out. Sam hammers. He gathers part of the set. He makes it look like a farm. Sam hurts his finger with the hammer. Ouch, he says out loud. The teacher takes time to look at his finger. It will be okay, she says. Thanks, Sam says. The set is ready. The kids know all their lines. Now it is time to perform. Sam is in the corner. He helped with the set. The kids perform their parts. When the play is over, the teacher gathers the kids together in a circle. She says, I am so proud of all of you. You worked hard and played an important part to make the play super. Sam says, my hammer worked hard too. All the kids giggle.